Good evening. My name is Batman. I'm with the RGV Superheroes. Welcome to Summer Thursday family program at Quinta Mazatlan. The second word is echolocation. Echolocation is a process that bats use. Echolocations are sounds to locate objects and bats cannot see. Bats determine the location and distance of an object using echolocation. Some bats cannot see well, so they use echolocation to find their food. Bats can eat up to 1,200 insects, and each bat eats 6 to 8 insects each night. And that is the nature word kids should know. Thank you, and come see us at Quinta Mazatlan.